Welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I will teach you how to get notes on Instagram. Sometimes the main account of someone doesn't show the notes option. So we will show you how to get the notes option. Before starting a video, if you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So without wasting a time, let's go towards the video. To first get the notes, that is the option of notes. If you want to these notes on your main account, you have to follow the following steps. We provide you a 3 steps, one of them must work. So first you have to update your profile Instagram account and go to your any app store and search for the Instagram app on your that particular app store. So I check it in download because there is the option of updates for every app. So you check this, search for it, the Instagram, yes, this Instagram, and the update is ready. Let you show that how you update it. Click on the install option below. So the downloading is start and now it is installed. So this is the one way to get notes on Instagram. So wait for the installing to install it and then click on the open. So now you check your note, it may visible to you. The second way is that to turn on your activity status. Go to your setting and privacy and search for the activity status. Scroll down. Sometime in the new updates the position of the activity status may not visible to you or other than your which you want. So search it normally here. Activity status is that show activity status, keep it on. If you on of this, keep it on and it may resolve your uh, notes problem. And the third way is to convert your account to professional account, and the same may go to your setting and privacy and search for the account type and convert your account into professional account. My account is already in professional mode, so let you show that from where you change it. Click on the search bar above and click on the search bar and search for account type. Now you see add new professional account because my account is already in professional mode. So here the option is add new professional account. So click on it. You have to click on the add professional account and follow the steps and convert your account to professional account. So these are the simple steps to get notes on Instagram. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.